Now I format the background color of report name and data header. Formatting background color, cells look more attractive and visible. Reader takes interest in a worksheet. Important cells can be highlighted with background color. To look more visual worksheet, I format the background color. Let's check out. In Home tab, Font Group, click Fill Color button. Fill Color button changes the background color of text. Click Fill Color button. You have different colors here. First activate cell A6. Then click Fill Color button. I choose this color. To change the background color of header text, click cell A6. Then press Ctrl key. Click cell I6. Then click Fill Color button. I choose this color. Click cell B6. Press Ctrl key. Click cell E6. Then in Home tab, Font Group, click Fill Color button. I choose this color. Now click cell B7. Press Ctrl key. Click cell C7. Click cell E7. Click cell F7. Then in Home tab, Font Group, click Fill Color button. I choose this color. Similarly, click cell D6, press mouse and drag to cell D17. Then press Ctrl key and do not release the Control key. Drag mouse from cell G6 to G17. Then in Home tab, Font Group, click the Fill Color button. I choose this color. Similarly, click cell H6. In Home tab, Font Group, click Fill Color button. I choose this color. So, always use light background color to read text easily. If you use darker color, the text inside the cell will not be easily to readable.